press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweet Library.
Unlocking your phone using your face is the new hot, mostly because of Apple's Face ID. But wait a minute, what's new in it? Android has had a similar feature since 2015 called Trusted Face. Okay, so now the new iOS 14.5 update makes it easier to unlock your iPhone when you're wearing a face mask. With the new update, Face ID sees that the iPhone user is wearing a mask. It will then prompt the Apple Watch to unlock your iPhone. Of course, the catch is you need to own an Apple Watch to use the feature. Doesn't it seem like the Smart Lock feature which Google had launched back in 2015 that gives you control over when and where you have to unlock your device? Also, your device will stay unlocked while connected to a trusted connection via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Well, Apple is known for its security and reliability. We can't even compare them. However, this feature is extremely convenient when frequently checking your iPhone in a public place where masks are required during the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, to use this feature, make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are running iOS 14.5 and WatchOS 7.4 respectively. And this feature is only available with iPhone X and later and Apple Watch Series 3 and later. Here's how you can unlock your iPhone using Apple Watch. To allow your Apple Watch to unlock your iPhone, the feature must first be enabled on your iPhone. To do so, open Settings on your iPhone. Select the Face ID and Passcode option. Enable the toggle for Apple Watch under the Unlock with Apple Watch section. Agree to the details by tapping Turn On. Now to begin, you will need to be wearing your Apple Watch and ensure that the passcode has been entered and your Apple Watch has been unlocked. Now simply swipe up on your iPhone as you would unlock it normally with Face ID. Your iPhone will scan your face and instantly you will get haptic feedback indicating your Apple Watch was used to unlock the device. Obviously, this will only work when the Apple Watch and iPhone are in close proximity. As a security measure, your paired Apple Watch will also get a notification that your iPhone has been unlocked and it will have a notification action button called Lock iPhone. So use your Apple Watch to unlock your iPhone when you are wearing a face mask if you have one. So that is it for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel for more such videos.